Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make IB biology way easier and a lot more fun. Today we're diving into photosynthesis, more specifically, how carbon dioxide gets converted into glucose using hydrogen from water. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's all science. Let's break it down. First things first, let's look at the big picture, the chemical equation for photosynthesis. This is a must-know for IB biology, so let's get it locked in. The equation for photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 6H2O produces C6H12O6 plus 6O2, or, if you prefer a word equation, carbon dioxide plus water produces glucose plus oxygen. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the roots, then, using sunlight, convert them into glucose and oxygen. Simple, right? But here's where it gets even cooler. Now, let's talk about where all these atoms actually come from to build glucose. Our end product, glucose, or C6H12O6, has carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. But where did these elements originate? Carbon and oxygen come from carbon dioxide in the air. Hydrogen comes from water, which the plant absorbs through its roots. So in photosynthesis, plants are literally pulling carbon out of thin air. Pretty mind-blowing when you think about it. But wait, how do we actually get the hydrogen from water? This is where one of my favorite biological processes comes in. Photolysis. Photolysis. Let's break down that word. Photo means light, and lysis means splitting. So photolysis literally means splitting by light. During photosynthesis, light energy is used to break down water molecules into hydrogen ions, electrons, and oxygen. The oxygen is released as a byproduct, also known as the air we breathe. The hydrogen is used to help build glucose. Without photosynthesis wouldn't happen. So let's recap. The equation for photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 6H2O produces C6H12O6 plus 6O2. The carbon and oxygen and glucose come from CO2 while the hydrogen comes from water. Photolysis is the process where light splits water into hydrogen and oxygen. And that's a wrap on today's lesson. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.